Okay, so what is repeated addition? Sir.
When you do the same thing, well, like just a different.
Ma'am?
You're adding the same number over and over.
Adding the same number over and over. And what would we use that for? Sir.
Times.
Multiplication, right? So if it says every day that you're at school, you get 3 candies. How many candies will you have on Friday? Because you're here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right?
Oh,
So that's 5 days. And how many candies are you getting?
3.
3 candies. So I get 3 candies here. How many candies will I have on Tuesday?
6.
How many candies will I have on Wednesday? 9. How many candies will I have on Thursday? 12. And how many candies will I have on Friday? Yes, 15. And we did that by adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 3 times 5. Which is 5 times 3, absolutely. So here is a practice, well, this is a real STAAR question, but we are going to practice it and try it out, okay? So it says the model shown can represent 2 number sentences. So how many stars do we have?
6.
We have 6 total. So I can say we have 2 groups of, we have 2 groups of 3. So we have 2 groups of 3, right? Or I can say we have 3 groups of 2. Do you guys see how we're doing that?
Yes.
Okay. So, which 2 number sentences can the model represent? 3 times 3? So remember, times is group, read it as groups of. So do we have 3 groups of 3? No, so that one's already wrong. We can skip that one. 3 groups of 2? Do we have 3 groups of 2? Yeah. And what about 3 plus 3? Yeah, actually, both of those work. Let's just continue on to C. 2 groups of 3? 2 times 2 groups of 2 groups of 2? What? No. 3 plus 3 plus 3? No. Nope. So the only correct answer would be B. Because 3 groups of 3 groups of 3 would be 9, right? That'd be 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's this one. 3 plus 3 plus 3. So that's not true. We only have 3 plus 3. Questions on this one? Sir in the back? Questions? But do you have any questions? Okay. All right. So this is a STAAR question. Who thinks they would get it right? Yeah. Who still is a little confused? A little confused?
Yeah.
What can I help clear up for you?
I don't understand
Don't get on camera, sir. Which part don't you understand?
I don't understand the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
So it's
Yeah.
just saying which number sentences are showing this right here. So this could be 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, right? You could also say this is 3, 1, 2, 3 groups of 2 stars each. We could also say that this is 2 groups of 3 stars each, right? And so then all you're doing at that point is matching to see, is it 3 groups of 3? We only have 2, so that one was wrong. Is it 3 groups of 2?
Yeah.
We could do that, yeah. Was it 3 plus 3? Yeah, we have that too. Is it 2 groups of 3? Is it 2 groups of 2 groups of 2?
No.
Is it 3 plus 3 plus 3?
No.
Is it 2 plus 2 plus 2?
No. Yes.
Right? No, wait. 2 plus 2. Oh yeah, plus 2. It is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So that one is fine, but this one was wrong. Right? This was wrong, even though that one was right. These were both wrong, right? Oh no, this one was okay. So the wrong, 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 wrong. The only one that's right is B.
Wait,
Cool.
you forgot to cross 2.
But 2 groups of 3, we do have 2 groups of 3,
You
right?
forgot to
That would be
circle
here
my-
and here. All right. I hear chitter chatter.
Now it makes much more sense.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. And what about this one?
Oh. I guess I can handle that one.
Let's try this one, guys. The noises, please. Thank you. Okay, Zachary lists some different methods he thinks he can use to solve the multiplication problem. 8 times 4. Which one of these is not a way, not a method? So not, which is not a method Zachary can use to get a correct answer. So how can we find 8 times 4? What can we do? Sir? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 4 times. Yes, sir.
You can add 2 8s together, and that makes 16, and then you can do it another time, so it's 16 plus 16.
Absolutely, yes. Ma'am?
5 plus 5 plus
Oh, it's 8 times 4. So you could just do 4 times, or 4 plus 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 4.
8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8.
Or 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Very good. So let's see what Zachary thought. He thought, okay, let me draw them out. So let's see how many he did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 8 times 4, right? Because this is 8, 8, 8, and 8. So I have 4 groups of 8, right? Yes. Good job, Zachary. 8 groups of 8, groups of 8, groups of 8. Get off the camera. He's in the STAAR question.
Then mustache it all.
So this one, yeah, you can't, 8 times 8 is way different than 8 plus 8. So that one's, I don't like that one. Let me see.
This is your stuff.
Excuse me, sirs?
He bought this and he started coloring on my cards that he paid for. You're losing your pay, sir.
That one's good.
These are
Okay.
not.
I didn't even color it.
Sirs.
Yes, you did. This was not
8, 3,
this before. This was
2, 1.
I'm starving.
What about this one? What did he do? 4,
8.
8,
So that's
12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. What is he doing? Sir. Hey, I need all eyes up here. Ma'am and ma'am, put that away. What is Zachary doing in C?
Skip counting by 4.
Skip counting by 4. Let's make sure he did it 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did he do it?
No.
Oh, because look. He started at 4. He didn't start at 0. Right? So, because 0 to 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So he did good, but you guys have to look out for little tricks like that, because even Miss Podlasky got tricked, right? I thought, oh, that one's wrong. But no, he started at 4, and so that's already a skip count once to 4, right?
Yes.
Because 0 groups of 4 would be 0. 1 group of 4 is 4. So this one's good too, Zachary. Good job. And what is he doing here?
Number line. Skip counting.
Ma'am.
Keep counting on number line.
Yeah, he skipped counting on a number line just in case he didn't trust himself to count, just like 4, 8, 12. He thought, let me write out my number line because I know my 2s, so I know my even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. And if I'm counting by 4, I just do every other one, right? So I'll skip 2 and go to 4. I'll skip 6 and go to 8. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And you got 32 here, 32 here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
32.
And we got 32 for all of them except 8 times 8 would be what? A lot. Times 8. A lotter. Times 8. A lotter. So that one's totally wrong. We can draw an array. We can skip count, or we can skip count on a number line, right? We could do repeated addition, like Miss Podlasky likes to do. Could draw my 4 circles and count them 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, right? 4, 8 times, okay? You could have also done that with the 8 and counted it 4 times. Okay, just do whatever works for you. The whole point of math is that we're teaching you a lot of different ways to come to the same answer. You just pick which one you feel works best for you. So, I think those were the only 2 questions on the STAAR about repeated addition. How do you guys feel?
Good.
How do you guys feel about taking the common assessment tomorrow? Nervous? Ma'am.
I know the X knows dots.
And you don't know what an array is?
No, the X, where you said like 5 plus 5 plus the X. I forgot. I don't know what they're called.
Times?
Times 5. I don't know that.
5 times 5? So if I have
25.
5, remember X means groups of.
Yeah.
5 groups of 5. So there's a lot of different ways that we can find this answer. One is repeated addition. So I need 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to draw it out. That's just what I like to do.
So wait, you count by 5
Excuse me.
5 times.
So I'm going to do 5 groups of 5. So my first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Very good. Could I also do my number line counting by 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And I need to do 5 groups of 5. I've got my number line. So start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Could I also draw an array?
Yeah. You can draw it every time.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 times 5, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25.
26.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
No, it's just I don't know what that, like the X means. I don't know what it means.
The X means multiply or groups of. If I tell you I have 6
Sodas.
Bananas.
Chocolate chip.
but what are they multiplying for?
Ice cream bowls. Cars.
Okay, yeah. I get 6 candies every every day for 3 days.
No, for 20 days.
So I get 6 candies every day for 3 days. How many candies
You get 18.
will I have at the end of day 3?
You will have 18.
It's 6 times 3.
It's 18.
6 times 3.
You get 6 candies
18.
every day for 3 days.
Well, 6.
Here's your 6 candies. Hey,
6 divided by 6 minus 6.
Raise your hand.
147. And if you say no to that, then that leads you back to another number, which doesn't make any sense, and nobody knows that.
Okay. You get 6 candies every day for 3 days. So on day 1, how many candies are you getting? 6. And so how much is your total at the end of that day?
18.
0.
Day 2, you wake up. How many candies are you getting?
12. Well, 12. 6. No, 6.
Slow down. Listen to what I'm asking you. Day 2, how many candies are you getting? 6. So now what is your total?
12.
On day 3, you're getting how many?
6.
So now what is your total?
18.
Do you see it now?
Yes.
What if I said on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you get 5 candies? On Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you get 2 candies. That's why this would be different, right? Some days would be 2, some days would be 5. That's why you need to pay attention, right? It's not always the best idea to jump to the answer. Slow down and think about the process. You get 6 candies every day, or you get 5 today, 2 tomorrow. What's your total? 7. And then you get 5. Now what's your total? 7 plus 5.
12. It's 12.
And then the next day you get 2. Now what's your total?
14.
Okay? So you're going to come up with different answers. Pay attention to what it's asking you. 6 candies